Hello from Freedomtax Accounting. We're an accounting firm where we have been providing quality tax and accounting services now for over 20 years. If you are new to this channel, we provide the best tax and accounting strategies for small businesses to help them achieve their financial goals. But for the last couple of weeks, we have been concentrating on the SBA loans, the PPP, and the EIDL to help small businesses get funding to get through this coronavirus pandemic. In today's video, we're going to talk about how to get ready for a possible second PPP loan program and how you should get ready so when this second PPP loan program gets approved, you have everything ready so you can apply quickly and get your funds as soon as possible. Now, today is September 3rd, and we always emphasize the date of the recording of the videos that have to do with the PPP program because the PPP program has been constantly changing. So whatever we discuss today may change as soon as tomorrow. So that's the good idea that you subscribe to our channel because we are doing our best to bring you the latest and correct information regarding these SBA loans. Now, before we continue, remember that this video is intended for educational purposes and should not be taken as legal or tax advice. You should consult with your financial professional about your unique financial situation before acting on anything discussed in these videos. Freedomtax Accounting or its members cannot be held liable for any use or misuse of this content. Now, why should you start getting ready for a second PPP program? Remember that Congress in August went into recess, but they are coming back from their recess starting next week on September 8th. Once Congress comes back, they're going to restart their negotiations for the new stimulus package. Now, among a lot of things that they are negotiating in the stimulus package, they're going to have to decide for the second stimulus check, if they're going to extend the $600 unemployment, if they are going to forgive all PPP loans that are under $150,000, if they're going to approve additional funding for the EIDL grant, which is the $10,000, and they're going to have to decide if they're going to start a second PPP program. Now, that's in Congress that they're negotiating with the new stimulus package. The thing is, the Secretary of the Treasury, Mr. Mnuchin, which is that guy right there, he wants the PPP loan program to be the second PPP loan program to be ready fast. Okay, he doesn't want the second PPP program to have to wait till a second stimulus package, the new stimulus package is approved. So that's why he is suggesting that the second PPP do not be tied into the new stimulus package, that it should be on a separate legislation. That way they can get it approved faster because he knows that small businesses are in need of funding now. Okay, now, the Secretary of the Treasury and other congressmen agree that the second PPP program should be different than the first one. Okay? Both parties have expressed that a second PPP program should have fraud protection. If you have been watching the news, there has been a lot of bad rap and a lot of people getting in jail and with criminal charges because they are getting caught with fraud that has been committed through the PPP program. So the second PPP program should have some kind of fraud protection system in place. And they have also expressed that they really want to make sure that they want to give it to businesses that really need it. Okay? Now, this is all speculation. This is what has been reported in several media outlets. Nobody really knows what the requirements will be for the second PPP program. This is all speculation, but if they're going to implement a fraud protection system, and if they want to make sure that they give the funds for businesses that need it, a lot of professionals think this is what they're going to require. You may have to show that your business is actually going through economic hardship. There are some media reports that say that you are going to have to show that your business in 2020 is making at least 50% less revenue compared to 2019. Now, once again, we don't know if that's the threshold they're going to use, but they may require you to show that your business in 2020 is making a lot less revenue compared to 2019. So most probably they will ask for your 2019 and your up-to-date 2020 financial statements. What does that mean? So if you don't have your profit and loss and your balance sheet up to date all the way back from January 2019 and bring it up to date to now 2020 to August 2020, you should start putting your financials up to date just in case they're going to ask for proof that you're making less revenue than 2020, than 2019. Now, they may also ask for bank statements. Maybe they won't ask for financial statements, but maybe they're going to ask for your 2019 bank statements and your 2020 business bank statements so they can compare, they can see that you're actually making less revenue, okay? Now, they may also ask that your business show that your business actually has employees in 2020. Now, this does not apply for self-employed, but remember, S Corps, C Corps, nonprofits, and some partnerships that may have employees, the PPP program is designed to protect the employee paycheck. So they may want you to show that you actually have employees in 2020, and how does that compare to 2019? So they may ask for your full payroll reports for 2019 and 2020. Remember that for the first PPP, basically they only required the 940 payroll report to get the PPP fund. They may ask for more payroll reports. They may ask for the 941s, the quarterly payroll reports. They may ask for a payroll summary. So once again, this is all speculation, but we need to be proactive. Why? At least that's what we are doing with our clients. With our accounting clients, we are helping them right now get their financial statements up to date all the way back from January 2019. Why? Because according to what's being reported in the news and the things coming out of Congress, that's what the second PPP loan program may require you to show that in your 2020 you're making less revenue than 2019. So best way to show that is through financial statements. So our clients or our new clients that we are getting now for accounting, we are advising them, let's start getting your financials ready all the way back from 2019 up to date to August 2020, just in case that's what they're looking for. We're also telling our clients and helping them get their 2019 and their 2020 business monthly bank statements. They may ask for those as well. So instead of waiting to see if that's what they want, we're being proactive and we're getting all the documents ready just in case that's what they're looking for. And we're also helping our clients gather all their business 2019 and their 2020 payroll reports. Okay, now why are we doing that? Because remember, when the first PPP program started, once those gates opened, there was a flood of new applications, and they actually had to close it after the first 10 days. So if they do approve a second PPP program, that's going to happen again, and you want to be ready. So you're the first in line, and you are there's a lot more probability that you get those funds approved faster. Okay, so that's why we're being proactive with our clients and getting these documents ready just in case that's what they are requiring. Okay, once again, this is just speculation. We have to wait until Congress approves the new PPP loan program, but most probably it's going to have a lot more requirements, and it's going to be different from the first PPP, especially with all the fraud that they have encountered with the first PPP program. Okay, now let's read this proverb that says it's better to be prepared than swift afterwards. So that's why we are being proactive with our clients, just to get them ready when this second PPP loan programs comes. And we don't know, it may be next week, it may be 2 weeks, it may be 3 weeks, but definitely the Secretary of the Treasury is pushing to get this second PPP loan program approved. And anyways, it's still a good idea to have your 2020 accounting up to date to be able to do your end of the year tax planning. The year is ending, and we always advise our clients that the last 4 to 3 months of the year, you have to really keep an eye on your accounting in order to make a good tax strategy before the year ends. So it's always a good idea to have your accounting up to date, especially this time of the year before the year ends. Okay, now thank you for watching this video. We hope that you are proactive as well. Once again, this is all speculation, but it's better to be prepared than sorry. So that's what we are doing with our clients, getting them prepared so they're first in line to get this second PPP loan program if and when it gets approved. Okay, now God bless you. Remember that we are praying for you, we're praying for your family, we're praying for your business, that God protect you and keep you safe during this coronavirus pandemic. If you have received valuable information from this video, like and share it. That makes YouTube, the more likes this video gets, that makes YouTube show it to more small business owners so they can benefit from this information as well. Also remember to subscribe to our channel. We are doing our best to bring you the latest and correct information regarding the SBA loans, and in the future we will always bring you the best tax and accounting strategies for your small business. This is our contact information. If you have any type of tax or accounting needs, even though we are in Florida, we are authorized by the federal government to represent individuals and small businesses that are located in any of the 50 US states. Also, if you want a consultation regarding PPP or EIDL loan program, we have lowered our consultation rate in order to help other small businesses. Once again, if you do not know us, we are part of Freedom Group. We are a group of 4 companies where we have the tax accounting firm, we have the immigration law firm, we have a real estate business, and we also have an insurance and financial planning company as well. So we can help you in many, many ways. Remember to subscribe to this channel and also watch the suggested video. That video is going to tell you more about the available tax credit help that came out of the CARES Act, so you get further financial help through this coronavirus pandemic. God bless you. Have a great day, everyone. Bye-bye.